Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace the door lock actuator in an Audi A4 B8. Remove the interior trim carefully, starting at the armrest and working outward to free clips. Disconnect the window switch harness and speaker connector to access the inner door skin. Unbolt the moisture barrier, detach the actuator from the latch, and swap the old unit with the new actuator before reassembling in reverse order. Start by lowering the window slightly to clear trim edges, then loosen fasteners and pry trim off with a plastic tool. Carefully unplug electrical connectors for switches and speakers, then unclip the panel from its retaining clips. Once free, set the panel aside in a safe place to prevent scuffs or damage before proceeding to the moisture barrier and actuator access steps. With the panel removed, fold back the moisture barrier and locate the actuator on the latch assembly. Remove retaining bolts and unplug the electrical connector, noting orientation for reassembly. Fit the new actuator, bolt it in place, and reconnect the wiring, then test the door lock function with the key fob and interior switches. Reinstall the moisture barrier and proceed to replace the door panel after confirming reliable operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.